All right, y'all, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As you can see behind me, we have got another little tiny home cabin review, and this is a pretty darn snazzy one. Today we're down at Long Springs Tiny Homes in Sevierville, Tennessee, about 10 minutes from the ridge where I'm staying with my RV. So I decided to get up and get a little productive out here. And this is a pretty darn cool spot. So they rent these out. I'm gonna put a link for them down in the description. But talk about just kind of getting out there a little bit. It's pretty darn cool. I mean, you got yourself a little open field. You got this really cool little kind of playground area over there for the kids. So you got some hammocks, you got a grill and chill area, some firewood. But this one in particular has a back patio. It's also gonna have a jacuzzi. Now, since this isn't my bread and butter, it's gonna be a pretty short tour. I believe these cabins are made by Greenville Cabins down in South Carolina. So you might wanna look up some information on them if you want stuff about the build. But today's just more about the fact that we're on vacation and I wanna see some cool things, and I think this is cool things. But when you walk in, I mean, come on, it can't get any more cozy. For a couple to get out and escape the hustle and bustle of Gatlinburg or Pigeon Forge or anything like that, this is a pretty darn cool spot to be. And it's also got that Tennessee vibe to it, You got the little placards on the sides with little stories in it. You got pictures of, I don't know what the heck that thing is. Looks like a horse. What is that, a sheep? Yeah, you got a little sheeple right over there. He is staring at you a little weird though. But man, it's just really cool. You got a table for two where you can sit down, maybe play some cards at the end of the night. The mattress that they're using for rentals, typically they skimp on them. These actually do feel pretty comfortable, something that I'd want to sleep on. And they are using the mini split system, which is nice too. Combine that with the 3-inch thick walls. It's got 98 degrees today in that Tennessee heat, and it is really nice and cool down in here. You do have an electric fireplace if you would like, real hardwood all the way throughout. So babe, if you're watching, I love you. Of course, you might want to turn on the TV. You're good to go there. You also have lamp side on either side of the bed with your plug-ins there too as well. Now the back patio is going to be right through that door. I'll show you that here in just a second. But first, we got the mirror for the bowling gun, baby. I actually like the fact that they condensed down the kitchen quite a bit. There is going to be an electric griddle that comes with it, so that way you can put it up on the counter if you would like. But you have yourself, the microwave, the plates, the paper towels. Of course, you got yourself a little refrigerator. And then Frantic. I've never heard of that name before, but I like the name, Frantic. You got yourself a sink, with the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. Right over here is going to be your fuse box along with your control for the heat and the AC. Yeah, you got yourself a little closet there. Jacuzzi style bathtub. We'll get to that here in just a second. But what do you guys think here of this back patio? I mean, you are set back in the woods. You got some privacy. Honey Buns would be out here just reading a book. I just imagine like a little black bear or something coming up here, stealing all of our honey. Be pretty cool. It's pretty sweet back there. Might fly the drone out. We'll see how it goes. Look at that. Pretty cool. I mean, everything that you need. Nothing too crazy. It's not overly expensive from what I was looking at as well, which is nice. But again, I'll put their Airbnb link if you guys want it. I don't want to say pricing because who knows? A video like this they might use for years, and I'd hate to underset them or overset them and have somebody miss a book in there for them. But look at the bathroom is the star of the show. This is an incredible bathroom. One, like I said, jacuzzi style bathroom. I love that. That nice little hot tub feel. Maybe you're having yourself a little bit of a romantic night. You got your shower head up there. And then you got some old school vibes there for the lighting system. You got another mirror, another gun. And then look at the fanciness of this thing. This is like one of the most pinkies up things that I've seen in Tennessee. That's pretty cool. It's made out of, it feels like it's made out of some like kind of crystal or something. Porcelain throne there, or porcelain sink there, porcelain throne here. You also have a knee to forehead length mirror there as well. And then of course, you got all your towels. But all right, guys, drop some comments. Do you guys want to see some more tiny home cabins? My name is Hunter. Check out Long Springs Tiny Homes in Sevierville if you guys want to, I don't know, if you guys want to rent one out. Have a great day. See you.